yesterday was Doom's birthday. He was born on July 13th, 1971, so he would have been 55 now, which is crazy. So gutted we lost him, man. But in honor of his memory, I wanted to do something pretty cool today. I got this Doomsday box set that I bought back when it came out, 2011 I think. And inside there are some MF Doom trading cards, which I never seen anybody open. I still haven't opened them 15 years later, so I think today is the day. So inside this box set, when you open it, you got the cards, like a booster pack of Doom trading cards. How cool is that? You got this beautiful lyrics book, full printed lyrics book, which is really nice. And man, Doom always had the illest box sets, most creative stuff. Like, what you know about this KMD box set with the 7-inch picture disc, got the CD, 2 CDs, and the pop-up kid book. So ill, man. Also had this cool puzzle that I got on my wall with Rhymes Like Dimes box set. But yeah, so let's open this booster pack and see if we can pull like a shiny King Ghidorah or some shit. I think if I try to rip it like this, I'm gonna mess it up. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in with scissors. Let's see what we got. Shit, didn't cut close enough. So let's see what we got. Oh shit, DJ Cucumber Slice. That's a nice card, bro. The artwork is crazy. Got this Doom with 2 bitches. King Ghidorah. Man, the artwork is really nice. I'm not sure who did that, but probably Jeff Jank. Got Kong. Honestly, not sure who that is. Curious. MF Grimm. Legend. Rodan. Damn, he got the whole crew. Sabrak, rest in peace. Tommy Gunn. X-Ray. And that's it. And there's more than I thought there were. There were like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is there 9 or 10? But anyway, yeah, that's it, guys. I never seen anybody open these cards online, so thought I'd share it. Pretty cool stuff. Rest in peace to Doom. His memory will live on. His legacy will live on. Yeah.